Hey guys, today we are doing the rear strut supports on my MK4 GTI because the other day the rear hatch fell on my head, and this is a super easy thing that anyone can do on their own with very few tools, and it literally takes 4 minutes. So let's get into it. All right, so this is a super easy do-it-yourself for any kind of car that has rear struts. You literally just need replacement struts and a pick tool, and let's get into it. All right, so first things first, you want to do one side and then the other. You literally just pull these off. And then pull out the next one a little bit. And then repeat it on the other side. And then you're done. All right, folks, so if you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and always follow along here and on TikTok, Strip Down Garage, and I will see you on the next one.